In this video, we show you how to fix Riot client not opening or launching. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you cannot open Riot client and now you're unable to play Valorant or League of Legends, that's pretty sad, and I'll show you how to fix that. Alright, so first we're going to close everything related to Riot client, Valorant, League of Legends, or Riot Vanguard. So you can press Ctrl+Shift Escape to open Task Manager, and from here you're going to look for Riot client, Riot games, and when you see one, you can right click on it and hit End Task. After you make sure everything is closed, you can close Task Manager, and now go to the Start menu, type in Riot client, this one, right click on it, open file location, and then from here you're going to right click on Riot client shortcut, go to Properties, go to Compatibility, and then you're going to check Run this program as administrator, hit Apply, and hit OK. Now you can try to launch it and see if you can open it. Alright, if you still cannot open it, the firewall might be blocking the app. So you can go to the Start menu and type in Windows Security, so this one, open it up. From here, you want to go to Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, hit Manage Settings, scroll down to Exclusion, and select Add or Remove Exclusions. Hit Add and Exclusions, select File, go to your C drive, go to Local Disk C, look for Riot Games, open it up, Riot Client, and here you're going to select Riot Client Services.exe and hit Open. And now you're going to click Add an Exclusion again, select Folder this time, and you're going to select the entire folder of Riot Client. Still in the same path, C drive, Riot Games, select Folder, and that's it. Next, you can press Windows+R on your keyboard and type in local app data like this with percentage symbols, click OK, and from here, look for Riot Games, open it up, and then Riot Client, Data, and look for Riot Games Private Settings.yml. Right click on it, rename, and then you're gonna add in .old. Like that. Hit yes, and that's done. Alright, next you can go to the Start menu and type in CMD. So command prompt, right click on it, select one as administrator, and here type in IP config//DNS. Hit enter, and then type in netsh winsock reset. Press enter again, and then lastly type in netsh int ip reset, like that, and press enter again. And after you do that, you're gonna restart your PC. After your PC restarts, you can try to launch Riot Games again.